Hi, this is Lao Yunqi Yannick, and today I will be making one-pan pasta with Bolognese sauce. And the reason I love cooking is because I want to be like Gordon Ramsay and make 5-star dishes. And I love my family, so I want them to eat healthier. So let's get started. First, marinate the minced pork with salt, pepper, coconut sugar, and turmeric. Marinate for about 20 minutes. Once you have marinated the minced pork, you can now prepare the Bolognese sauce. First, add olive oil into a pot. Then add some chopped onions and garlic in the pot. Then add the minced pork and stir occasionally. Stir occasionally until brown. Once you have finished cooking the minced pork, you can now add the basilico pasta sauce in the minced pork. Stir and combine well. It is mixed thoroughly, but I have to taste it first. Yummy! In a separate pan, I will prepare the one-pan spaghetti. Add the baby spinach, onions, garlic, mushrooms, and tomatoes. Add a little bit more spinach if not enough. In addition to these ingredients, place the pasta on top. Drizzle some oil on top of the pasta and add pepper and salt to it. Add 4 cups of boiled water to the pasta. And turn on the stove. Stir occasionally with tongs until the liquid is evaporated, creating a sauce. check if the pasta is soft. It is now soft, and now I can add the parsley. Switch off the stove. Cover the lid and let it simmer for a while. Now that it is done, we can now add the cheese. Stir well until the cheese has melted. Once it is finished, you can now serve it on the table. Delicioso. It means delicious in Italian. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please smash that subscribe button and leave a like and leave a comment in this video. Bye.